What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be, guess this, we're gonna be priming the wheels, the faces, and after this we're gonna be wet sanding them. Kind of did the first one just to get a feel of it. I really recommend this brand and this auto primer. It says it's fast drying and wet sandable. I really like it. It's pretty good and good quality for the brand. Well, let's get started. Let me shake this can real quick and we'll get going on the spraying. We're gonna apply, first coat is gonna be light coat. The second coat is gonna be a little heavier. And this you can, after wet sanding it, you can wait like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, so it's not that bad. And like I said, I do recommend this thing. It's pretty awesome, pretty legit. You gotta shake it real good, like your mama gave you. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna spray first the one side, then the other side, and then all around. Get a good even coat, so you don't want to overspray where you already sprayed. We're gonna let this first coat dry for 5 minutes. Then we're gonna apply the second coat, and after that we're gonna get wet sanding. If you want to do this and save money, I really recommend it. It's a cheap way for you to do it. You get experience, sorta, and you don't have to pay someone to do it. You can try it yourself at home. So far, I spent it roughly $80 with the primer, the strip primer, the paint, the primer, the grits, the sanding grits. So far, $80, not bad. It beats any price, and also you get the joy of doing it yourself. So it's a win-win situation, you know. It's not that difficult, pretty easy. So as long as you follow the steps, everything should be coming out right. Just remember, everything you want to paint, you have to prime it first so the paint will stick and not peel off on time or in the future. Alright, time for the second coat. Let's get it rolling. So this second coat is going to be a little more heavy, not extremely, but so we're going to give it a couple of more minutes, and then we're going to sand dry it. After the sand drying, sorry, not sanding, grit, we're going to sand it with the grit paper. After that, we're going to give it another coat of primer, and then after that, we're going to wet sand it. Almost ready to sand. You know what I mean. I think that's good. Okay, so I got a 60 grit paper. I'm going to start off with that, because I still have a lot of rough, smooth edges and thick parts. So I'm going to hit it with this first. And then we're going to go back again we're almost done, guys. Whew. So if your grid gets all nasty and run down like that, go get a new one. Makes the job faster and better. We're almost done getting the surface smooth to lay another coat of primer. Then after that, we're gonna start wet sanding. So I went on and bought a Dremel 3000. Reason I got it is so I can get like a little more professional finish, very smooth to the touch finish. You don't have to, but if you want to, it's not bad. 69 bucks at Lowe's, Home Depot. You can use this method, or you can work yourself up to a higher paper grit. But to me, it just takes a little longer, and with this, it's a little faster. Alright guys, second coat of primer. This one's going to be the heavy coat, because after this we are going to wet sand particles. You like my homemade booth here? Pretty legit, huh? Alright guys, we're gonna wet sand this faces with 400 grit. Basically what you do is very simple. Get used to some water and see what we have. Dip it in the water and just start sanding. You don't want to apply too much pressure because you just want it to be soft. How you wet sand after you prime. So finish when you're done, you run your finger over it, it's very smooth. So that's how you wet sand after you have done dry sand primer. I'm doing with a 400 grit paper. That way I can get a very smooth finish to the touch. And after this, when it's go dry, I'll let it dry like for an hour or two. We are ready to, for paint, which I'm gonna do that on my next video, guys. So meaning I'm gonna end my video. I'm in the video here. If you think this was helpful in some sort of way, you know, like it, comment, share, or you can comment your opinions. Maybe I missed a step. I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm not a pro, but from what I've done and the steps I've done, I've gotten good results so far. So I'm gonna finish wet sanding the rest of them, and I will catch you on the next video, guys. Take it easy.